Today we are going to start our next topic, that is regulation of heartbeat. As you know, human heart is myogenic, that is under the control of muscles. Human heart is myogenic. That is controlled by sphenol and cardiac muscles. As human heart is myogenic, but there is some other control. Some other control which control heartbeat under which control heartbeat or heart rate under different situations. First one is nervous control. That is under the autonomic nervous system. Nervous control, that is under the ANS, autonomic nervous system. And second one is endocrine control. Firstly, we are going for the nervous control. Nervous control firstly control the SA node. This control is mainly control the strength of contraction. Third, this nervous control is done by a neurotransmitter. That is adrenaline. And a hormone. So this nervous control controls two centers. There is present two control centers which control the heartbeat during the different situations. First one is cardiac acceleratory center. And second one is cardiac inhibitory center. So this cardiac acceleratory center which control the heartbeat during the stress condition or emergency condition. Stress condition, fear, or you can say emergency condition. Normally control SA node, and this control is by a neurotransmitter, that is this control is by a neurotransmitter, that is adrenaline, that is also known as epinephrine. This increase the heart rate and increase the strength of heartbeat. And contraction, force of contraction is also increased by the neurotransmitter adrenaline or epinephrine. And second one is the cardiac inhibitory center. Inhibitory center, that one is also controlled or regulated by a neurotransmitter, that is acetylcholine. This acetylcholine decrease the heart rate and decrease the strength of contraction. And bring out the situation normal. So these are two controls which are under the nervous control. First one is cardiac acceleratory center and second one is cardiac inhibitory center. Acceleratory center which increase the heart rate or strength of contraction of auricle or ventricle, and this second one is inhibitory center. This inhibitory center is also regulated by a neurotransmitter, that is acetylcholine, and also decrease the heart rate and strength of contraction of auricle and ventricle, which bring out the situation normal. So these are under the nervous control. Now we are going for the next control, that is endocrine control. Endocrine control is control in which two hormones which are released from adrenal medulla. First one is adrenaline, that is epinephrine, and second one is non-adrenaline or norepinephrine. This epinephrine is again just like the cardiac acceleratory center. You can see here this neurotransmitter. So these are equivalent in their regulation. You can mention these both equivalent. The second one is norepinephrine or non-adrenaline. So the function of this adrenaline or this cardiac acceleratory center is equivalent. Now this non-adrenaline या फिर epinephrine, this decrease the heart rate or decrease the strength. So in normal condition, this norepinephrine works. So these are two control, first nervous control and second one is the endocrine control. Nervous control is mainly by the medulla oblongata. Under the medulla oblongata, which control cardiac acceleratory or cardiac inhibitory center. This cardiac acceleratory center works under the sympathetic nervous system, and this cardiac inhibitory center works under the parasympathetic nervous system. This one is sympathetic and this one is parasympathetic nervous system. So this one is all about the regulation of heartbeat during the normal condition and during the emergency condition. Thank you.